Hi everyone, and welcome back to MUSC 100, Fundamentals of Music Theory. This video covers accidentals, key signatures, and enharmonic equivalents. An accidental is a notation symbol placed before a note that raises or lowers the pitch. The three most common accidentals are flats, sharps, and naturals. A flat lowers the pitch of a note by a half step. A sharp raises the pitch by a half step. A natural is used to cancel a sharper flat that came before, or a sharper flat that's in the key signature. There are two other symbols that are less common, but do crop up now and again. The double flat lowers the pitch of a note by 2 half steps, for a total of 1 whole step. The double sharp raises the pitch of a note by 2 half steps, or 1 whole step. Let's look at the keyboard to see exactly how accidentals change the notes they are attached to. Remember that pitches get higher as we go to the right of the keyboard, and they get lower as we go to the left of the keyboard. Accidentals all relate to the white keys on the piano keyboard. They are sometimes also called the natural notes. The natural notes are always your starting place for figuring out which key is used to play notes with accidentals. The note middle C is played using this white key. A sharp placed in front of this note makes it a C sharp. The sharp raises the pitch of the note by a half step, which means the key on the piano used to play this note will be a half step higher than the natural note. So this C sharp is played using the black key to the right of middle C. To play a B flat, start by finding the correct piano key for B natural. That's this key. A flat lowers the pitch of a note by a half step, so to play B flat, you need to use the black key directly to the left of the key for B natural. Key signatures are groups of flats or groups of sharps printed at the left edge of a staff, which tell you that all those sharps or flats apply to the entire piece of music. For example, if there's an F sharp and a C sharp in the key signature, all the Fs and all the Cs you encounter in the music will be sharps, not naturals. This is where the natural accidental comes into play most often. When you see them in front of a note, forget what is in the key signature and simply play the natural version of the note. Let's say our key signature has a B flat in it, but we come across a B natural in the score. Simply forget about the B flat and use the white note B natural to play the pitch. Enharmonic equivalence is a phenomenon in our notation system that allows for more than one way to write or spell the same pitch. The black keys on the piano, for example, all have at least 2 names. This black key can either be a C sharp, if you think about it as a C natural raised a half step, or it can be a D flat if you think about it as a D natural lowered a half step. The 2 notes have the exact same pitch, but have 2 different names. They are enharmonically equivalent. Naming the white keys on the piano can also result in enharmonic equivalence. The pitch for this key here can be spelled as either a C natural or as a B sharp. The notes C natural and B sharp are enharmonically equivalent because they have the same pitch but 2 different names.